There ain't nothing more bullish than a failed bearish move into my motherfucking orb. You want to see the profits, my boy? You ready?
I see my boy.
Leaderboard type shit.
No.
We just pulled in 20 bands. I'm gonna show y'all.
Maxie, you went berserk.
My son's sleeping. My son loves you guys' freaking show, man.
Fuck
Get
him.
your ass up.
Yeah, right.
Ain't
I want
no fucking sleeping. We on the Big Daddy Max show.
to
Fuck up.
morning show, Big Daddy morning show.
Ain't no fucking sleeping. We on the Big Daddy Max morning show. Get the fuck up.
No, it's just Big Daddy morning show. Let me get a. Ain't no sleeping.
My bad. Ain't no fucking sleeping. We on the Big Daddy morning show. Get the fuck up. Look, you're on the show. Say hi. You're on the show.
Oh, you were yelling at like a 17-year-old.
Damn, she ain't right.
Yo.
Welcome back to the Big Daddy Morning Show. It's your boy Big Daddy Max. It is Friday, May 30th, and it is 9:31 in the morning, and we are about to get trading. And it looks like we had a little volatility this morning. There's a huge dump, and we've been kind of retracing since. I don't know what the hell that was from, but I love a little excitement in the morning. What's going on, everybody? It is Friday, baby. Friday, May 30th. We're feeling good. We're about to have some fun. And Llama's gay, so I mean that's always good. What's going on?
Word. What's the word, Tubby?
What the word is? What the word is?
I think if it breaks under 340, it can dump, but if it doesn't, that's gonna hold and go. It's a tricky morning for me. Tricky morning. You know what I couldn't spot today, Maxie?
What's that?
Liquidity. I couldn't spot the liquidity today. I don't know where the real liquidity is. No. I don't know where the liquidity is, Maxie. Can't spot the liquidity. I don't know what to do today. Turn up your sensitivity. What are you even talking about?
Turn up your sensitivity. Turn up your sensitivity. Yo. That's it look good. I mean, it sure look kind of good.
Where's my chart? Jesus Christ, guys. Relax.
Whoa,
Okay.
whoa.
Give me a second. Give me a second, little guys. We get to erasing. Big Daddy Max. Big Daddy Max.
Big Daddy Max. Big Daddy Max.
We just lost 340. We lost 340.
Big Daddy Max. Yo. Big. Yeah, I like the short right here.
Yeah, short right there is interesting.
SPX dump in. I mean, really need SPX to break below 88. And then it's go time. Some relative weakness on SPX and Q looking stronger. Let's see 88 go right here. There it goes. All right.
We lost 340. I mean, sales are
We
good
can't
until
take
at
it.
least
We
300.
Relative strength on SP, on definitely relative strength on NQ. Big Daddy Max. Big Daddy Max. That should be catchy though. Hey, that should be catchy though. Like the short here, Llama. I'm gonna probably jump in the short.
Yeah, I'm jumping in.
If we can get down to there it goes. There it goes. 88 broke on SPX. NQ is strong, boy. NQ
Strong.
is right.
No.
Yeah.
It's strong. I'm gonna jump in probably with like a 5-point stop loss. Like it should really hold. If it doesn't hold, if it doesn't hold like 50, it has room. Which if I jump in now is like a 10-point stop, still going up. So it's 8 points.
I'm exhausted, boy. Oh yeah, SPX with a ripper. So NQ needs to break this previous candle. I'm about to get out of that short. That is not looking good no more.
That 350 got hit.
I'm just doing it light though. Light, very light. I'm just gonna see right here with this. Oh, hold on. I gotta sell some options. I'm gonna see right here.
Up. I'm right back in that.
Dumpy.
The body
There
closure
goes
was
Dumpy.
nice. Yeah,
There goes
I'm
Dumpy. There goes
Closers.
Dumpy. I'm trimming a little profit right there. Big Dumpy.
I'm up 370.
Whoa, I'm trimming a little bit more profit right there.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna pay
Stop
myself
loss
a bit.
at break even, let it run. Stop losses at break even, let it run. Whoa.
I got filled at 42. That was 30 points. That's nice. Already secured. Pretty nice there.
Yeah, I got some stops at break even. We are not going to let this run red. That was the break, baby.
There's the 300. Well, not 300 yet, but we're getting into this FVG that I was kind of targeting.
SPX breaks, bro. If SPX breaks here, this thing's going down to 80, and I'm going to hold the rest of these cons all the way down to 80. Let's just get a little continuation right here.
Continuation. Bang. I'm trailing on top of that wick right there. Yep, that's
very
a flip.
nice. Yep.
I'm up 1,000.
I'm gonna put a stop on that wick right there.
I put a stop on that wick right there. Yeah, I want to see how we react at 300. Once we lost 40, it was interesting. That little up move took me out by 2 points. We're at the midline of this FEG. That's another partial there at this midline in case it doesn't want to come to 300.
I want to see 300 test and break. Come on, give me that 300 test and break. I'll trim one more at that 300 mark. What a shorty. Wow, Big Daddy.
Yeah, that was smooth.
Big Daddy Max. Come on, push that 300, baby. Go ahead down there and push that thing.
Yeah,
push that
midline of the FEG, so it might not, but there she goes. 300. Ugh, midline of the FEG held, bro.
Held nice. Hey, if it pops, baby. I got stops right above it. I don't give a French toast, llama.
Right. If we catch a treasy, though, Maxie, wow.
Hold on now. Don't give me no trees, llama. Hold on, llama.
I'm right on top of that. I have one partial on top of that candle. The other one's very
I'll scale into that joint. I'll scale into that joint right now, boy. I'll scale into that joint right now.
Hold up, though, because I think I could also just go like this and hit one of these, and then boom, now I got more areas of interest bottom side. But I gotta see if it breaks or not. I would really have to break this. If not, I'd keep it flipped the other way.
Right.
Same this little FPG is just holding, bro.
It's battling right now. There's a battle between sellers and buyers right now. For the last 2 minutes, they're like, we're going down, bro. And the buyers are like, fuck you. That Trump tweet was bullshit, man.
I got partials out there. I have one more break even at 40.
I just tapped out 2 more partials right there. I'm only holding 2
I have 2 micros running at 240 here.
I'm down to 1 con left. I'm down to 1 con and I'm out of the trade, llama. I'm completely out here.
I'm still in. I have 2 micros still running at break even. They're not at break even, but they're like 3 points in profit. Just in case it doesn't want to respect.
Beautiful job, chat. I think I caught like 50 points there at the high.
I caught 40. I was at 42 and it went down to 40. Yeah.
Very nice. Congratulations.
I'm still holding it. I just want to see. I just don't like it. Like, it's not looking too good.
It's not looking too juicy. Yeah. Might see a continuation down here for sure. SPX not looking too juicy. You heard me?
I'm trading on top of that wick now. My last 2 micros. I'm going to trail there. Because if this holds, it's just going to flip. So if the candle flips, it's going to take me out fully of the position. There's the full down move again. I might trail body now. I'm trailing of that body of that candle closer. I still don't like this is an FVG. This is still bullish area until it gets broken. But we wanted the 300 and it hit 303. We can't complain. Don't be a dick about it, Tik. We partialed out. Fully out of the position there. Fully out of the position there. Here you go.
Hold on. Whoa.
Yep.
Hold on. I might jump into a long here. I'm going to wait for this candle to close.
The long is interesting. I mean, it's still just bully. It's a bully FE jizzle, but...
Whoa. What was that? That was like 20 point fucking millisecond.
Just post this here as well.
Thebigdaddymax.
There we go.
Big Daddy. If this candle drops all the way down, that is so bearish. I'm gonna go short again. But with the relative strength, we're kind of seeing. Well, we're not really seeing that relative strength on NQ right now.
Look at Danye, 7 bands. Oh my God, Danye, so attractive.
Who made 7 bandos?
Danye. Danye.
All right, I really like the long here, llama. Hold on. I'm gonna probably start entering into a long right here very slowly. I'm gonna probably
like it, bro.
Well, I'm looking at SPX now. There's some divergence. That's the problem. SPX looks good, but NQ looks like asshole. But I'm gonna start tapping in. I think a little bit, maybe. Hold on. Should I go in a little bit? A little bit. All right, I'm gonna tap in just a little bit.
Just a little
Every
bit.
time that we need is just a little bit. Just a little bit of it.
I caught my one trade for fucking almost $900. I could just be done for the day.
So, SPX looking juicy, my boy. SPX is looking juicy. Just need to make that newer high. And then I'm looking for NQ to pop all the way up to like 42 here. Eric, come on. There it goes. Okay. Give me a little retrace and go. Retrace and go right here. That's all I want to see. Jump. There we go. Now pop. Now pop. This is important right here. This one jumps back up to 30. I'm scaling into this long. If this jumps back up to 30, I'm scaling in.
See what happens,
Getting invalidated. All right, looking for SPX. If it breaks below 86, I will close the long for a little L-ski. If it wicks back up, that is as bullish as it's gonna get. Now we're seeing a lot of bullshit from NQ this morning. Yo, NQ kind of bullshitting this morning.
Yeah, it's bullshit. I mean, it's tricky, bro. Like I said, I couldn't spot no actual liquidity, so it gets kind of difficult. You get what I'm saying?
I don't like when we don't got no liquizzle.
When there's no liquidity, it makes things very, very difficult. Very, very difficult for me.
SPX is looking good though, so I might have to wait for this psychological level. NQ right here, tap down to that 3100, the 300 right there, little Tuski. All right, I guess I just got to be a little patient right now. SPX is definitely looking better than NQ, so I don't like to see when NQ is dragging ass like that. Mom, I'm getting feedback on your computer, dog. What's up with that? What's up with that?
What you mean?
When I'm talking, I'm hearing myself a little bit.
My bad, dog. I had the volume at 24.
What's going on with that?
I had the volume at 24, twin. My bad.
No, bro. What's going on? Why'd you have the volume at 24? You be video gaming loud as fuck or something?
I get what headphones are, but you know I be playing a little bit of music sometimes. You baby.
You be playing some music?
We've wicked through the FV jizzle. Just looking, I think the ICTs would call this a SMT, where we've taken a newer low on NQ and ES hasn't. Now it's getting bullish and it's delivering outside of an FV jizzle. So it's interesting. Definitely interesting, but I don't know, bro. I hate when I just don't know. Like, you know, like how often do I not know? Very rarely do I not know.
Patient. I like what I like and I love what I don't like.
It's an instant reaction off the 786, which is kind of nice. I mean, little impulse on the 30 has been broke.
I'm just waiting for Future Strat 2. Future Strat 2 on Future Strat 2 on NQ. Future Strat 3 on SPX. We might get alignment here. That's what we're looking for. We're looking for some alignment. I just want to see.
Do I really take another trade?
5890. Give me that 5890. That's what I want.
I'm up 9 Bs for the day.
That's what I want. That's what I like. That's what I like. Yeah. That's what I like. Yeah. That's what I like. Thrown on ice. That's
if this candle 3-bar print through, that's a sell to me. That's a sell to me.
But absolutely.
I don't want it to do
absolutely
that, is. I just don't want it to do that. PMI in second. PMI. We have PMI in 945. Did we YOLO the PMI candle?
That's what I like.
Is Llama missing a candle? Yeah, right. You see this gap? It looks like I'm missing a candle. There. All right, it came back. Candle's back.
That's what I like.
Let's see what happens here. I mean, bro, I don't know. It's kind of holding. It's like interesting, but PMI in 2 seconds. That shit was ass. Did absolutely nothing.
What's everyone talking about?
And it was just dog shit. It was yellow folder. Oh, consumer sentiment at 10. That's gonna be kind of interesting.
That's
if this candle prints, it's kind of gonna be like a selly, but if it prints, if it doesn't, it's still kind of a lead.
If it. The short is looking good, boy.
Yeah.
Hold on. SPX and NQ were aligned for me there, and it didn't happen. So now we got orb. Now we got this orb and NQ bouncing off that thing, and NQ trying to reclaim 300 right here, Llama.
It just doesn't want to break. Yeah, I think the buy might be good. Like it didn't want to break that level. I'm getting body closures.
Oh yeah, I'm jumping on it. I'm jumping.
There's a candle.
Oh yes,
there's a candle.
Oh yeah, I'm jumping on that.
I'm
jumping all over that. I'm jumping all over that.
With the no print, that's a for sure every day of the week. That's a for sure every day of the week. Now, what I would love to do is break this little skibbity, and then we go ES over midline. That's good for us to look bullish here.
That's what I like. That's what I like. Big Daddy on ice. That's what I like, yo.
See here, I mean that's pretty solid here. Healthy pullback, and then I would love just a wick and flip would be
Streezy,
nice.
Bro. No, I just want a straight streezy. I love the breakout of that range, and SPX needs to hold 90. SPX needs to hold that 90. Give me that wick up in a tree.
That at 12. 12 is
I feel that 12 too. For real.
Yeah.
I feel that 12.25, 12 and a quarter.
I feel that 12.75.
I feel that 12 and a quarter.
Ooh, I feel that 12.75.
I'm gonna stop out. Since I'm playing light, I'm gonna stop out at the previous lows at 87. If I'm willing to risk. I hate that FPX just gave up that fucking that 90. I'm about to tap out.
Yeah.
I hate that it gave up that 90.
Might go for it. Hold
on now. Hold on now, there's an MVG. Hold on now, there's an MVG. I'm gonna actually scale. I'm gonna try and get it back up to 90. Oh my god, yeah. Oh, that was a beauty. That was a beauty.
Nice, good scale. I was contemplating it, but I'm kind of spooked.
Usually those MVGs print right through. Give me that print through, and we're good to go here, boy. and we're good to go here. Ain't playing no games. Oh yes, I'm up about 2,000 right now.
I feel you that good. Fuck. I didn't scale it, and I'm still sitting at 12. I'm in a little bit of drawdown. I jumped in on one batch of accounts. I jumped in on the FFF. I didn't jump in on the TPT. I left my TPTs up 900.
We're still downtrending. There's no doubt about it.
Yeah,
there's no doubt about it. But SPX flirting with this 90 right here. Bang, there's a nice
back in
pop.
Profits.
There's a nice pop. Yep, back in profits deep. That's what I like. Yeah, in and out, in and out. Ooh, I don't like that wickety splickety. SPX keeps rejecting that pressure. 90. Come on, SPX. We won't.
Throwing some downside pressure here.
We want that 90. We want that 90. Tell you what, Llama, we got something dropping today. The MOT range breaker indicator chat is dropping today. I'm going to drop the link in the chat, and the first 50 people.
There's a pump.
Hold on now.
If we just need to fill the wick, though, bro, it's not going to fill that wick.
Look at that instant reversal.
Disgusting.
Nasty. What happened there? We were getting paid and then we got played. We were getting paid and then we got played.
No, we were
breaking the range to the downside.
We were getting paid for
If y'all want that range breaker, we're gonna drop that link as soon as this trade is over. Yeah, it's holding, bro. Orb is holding. That was a nice test of bottom side orb. No print through. Fucking thank you.
Both of them went to bottom side.
And Q looking fucking like it wants to just die on us.
The dumperson.
Yeah, I know. I'm watching. No, the print through orb on
SPX.
The print through orb on SPX, Llama. There it goes. Oh no.
Get rid of this shit. Get this shit off my chart.
Oh no, Llama. The rest of my cons tapped out right there. Out there. Even though I was trimming good.
It's just today's so difficult.
Orb is king.
Today's just that was the wrong fib.
That's all that matters.
Today's just so difficult, bro. A difficult day today.
Sometimes it's gonna be like that, Lam Easy.
Like if
trading was easy, we would all be doing it. But I'm watching this SPX short absolutely rip right now, baby, and I'm loving it. Like some McDonald's, Llama. I'm loving it. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba.
Yeah, bro. I was craving a McGriddle last night. I'm gonna wake up tomorrow and order McGriddles, bro. I completely forgot. Yeah.
There's a dumper. There's an absolute face ripper. Orb is king, and let it go, baby. Let it go. Wow, let's go. Hold on. I gotta pay attention.
I got areas at 34. If it breaks 34, it can go down to 150. Like this has room. This has room. Man, that first sell was fucking beautiful at fucking 3. What did I get filled at? 340 is what I was filled at. Sub 90 points. Could have just held the first one.
The range breaker caught that, bro. That's hold on. I had to take it because the new indicator I'm dropping just caught that heavy. Same thing Owen saw. Look at that. That's what we're about to drop for everybody. 50 people. First come, first serve. No fucking around. First come, first serve. You heard me? Look at this.
This looks like it has room to go. A lot of room to go. There's just no room for me to chase because no pullback.
No, you can't do nothing here. You got to let this dump.
Yeah.
You gotta let this absolutely dump. This is going. If this breaks previous day's lows at 73, oh my goodness.
See what could happen here. It's absolutely 340. My 34 just got tapped clean. It could give a little pullback, but I don't know. Man, that first sell was crispy as fuck, bro. What if we chopped for a whole 14 minutes
needs to kind of reclaim like a psychological 50, 250. To really get moving here. If it doesn't, this just pumps down, boy. They're gonna see it. You're gonna see another 34 points to the drops. You're gonna see another.
I got levels for another 60 points.
60? Did you say 60?
60. Yep.
Oh yeah, watch this potential treasy drop. That's gonna be ugly on. That's gonna be ugly. That's gonna be ugly. Here it comes. That's what I like.
Get Rain passing an account. Congratulations, Rain Ski.
Rain Ski with an account pass. Congratulations. Who else passing accounts on this crazy volatility, boy? I'm loving it. SPX might break structure, little simple scandal structure here. Hold on, there it goes. Hold on, that looks pretty solid.
We broke through orb and never retested. I'd love to see a tap of orb and then a rejection from orb.
Right.
That's what I'd like to see. For now, there's no way I jump into the sell unless we get towards orb.
sell.
But then again, I'd have to see how it reacts off.
If this next candle pops, if this next NQ candle breaks 66, I'm going long, Llama. I don't give a fuck.
I mean, orb is 30 points away, so yeah, it's not a bad long.
This could be a trade where we go back and retest the orb. That would be huge. That would be huge right there. All right, I'm gonna probably take the long on that 66. There it goes. There. Oh, there it go. I'm up a pip. I'm up 1 pip. One pip. I'm up 1 pip. I did a reaction video, bro, yesterday. I can't tell you how funny that video was. This dude, he had hit a pip and he screamed. He goes, there you go. He's in the mind of a trader type shit. And it was so funny to me, bro.
No, there's ES. ES is at orb already. So that's interesting. Let's see if ES can hold. If ES can hold, then it could potentially just flip back. And there's just another
NQ, baby. NQ.
Potential lower high.
Got a stop loss. I got a stop loss right below this candle at 60. That was a 6-point risk to reward. I'm up 10 points right now. 6-point risk to reward. Get real. You can't stop. I'm actually going to probably just put it at break even right now. Why not? 5-point risk to reward. I can scale into this trade and take a 5-point risk to reward. If SPX breaks orb right now, if SPX breaks orb right now, I'm scaling in, Llama.
Yeah. That's what I would like to see, though, if it does that or not. ES is sitting right under it.
If SPX breaks orb right now, I'm scaling ends. Let's see what happens. Ooh, Orby rejection. Orb rejection.
I got the sell.
I got to stop there. You bitch. I'm gonna wait for orb. Orb is king. I'm gonna wait for orb. Wait for orb. Orb is king. Gonna wait for that orb. Orb is king. Yeah, we're gonna drop that thing, boy. Drop that thing. Drop 250K's passed. Water Fowler, congratulations. Congratulations, my boy. Huge work right there.
I took a sell entry when ES hit orb. I'm kind of sitting.
It rejected almost perfectly. Almost perfectly.
On ES, it was beautiful, but this NQ is just lagging a bit.
I'm just putting a little
like
alarm.
$130 in profit.
I just got a little alarm on SPX's orb right here. And we're just gonna wait patiently right now. Just gonna be patient, baby. This is a scary looking.
We need to break this little IFEG sitting here.
Come on, here comes.
Not too clean there.
Next candle, flag break right up in the orb. Next candle, flaggy, right in the orby. Or 3-bar down and buck that and fuck everybody shit.
It's tricky, bro. There's a lot of indecision today.
Why I tell you, it's never the candle you think it is. It's the next one. I just want to see that orb. Yeah, we got news in like 2.5 minutes. I want to see that orb hit. And then whatever news does, that news might just shoot you to the top. Might just shoot us to the top of orb. Might just shoot us to a newer high on the news, Llama. What do you think is going to happen?
I don't know, bro. It's a lot of indecisions. I've been indecisive since pre-market, bro.
It's time for your ass to get decisive, my boy. It's time for your ass to get decisive. We're on Future Strat 2. I'm waiting for orb. Future Strat 2 still in play. Future Strat 3 is in play on NQ, but I'm really looking for Future Strat 1 on fucking Orby. Get rid of the chop. As soon as I hear it.
As soon as I hear a chop. I mean, ES looks like it wants to break in. It just hasn't broken in yet. So it's very tricky here.
Right here. Hold on. I'm about to have this alarm. There it goes.
ES back in. Does it wick? Does it close inside? If ES closes inside, this can get bullish here.
That's what I'm trying to say.
If it just rejects again, that would be like a 4 taps on it.
But NQ really needs to break above like 80 though. NQ's dragging ass.
Yeah.
Future Strat number 2, 1, everything's in play right here. Just NQ needs to pop over fucking 80. If NQ could just rippity up to 80, then this is a money fucking long. Money long. News in 1 minute.
We got home sales in a minute. I'm sure like that. Consumer sentiment, I think it was.
Money long.
I think the news might just give it that little explosion. I don't know. Very tricky, my bro. Very tricky. ES break in, break out of orb. I mean,
everything tricky right now. Everything tricky right now. Hold on, let's see what happens.
Oh no.
Let's see what happens.
Here
we go.
News in 10 seconds, and I'm in the trade up 350.
I got a buy going. If this thing breaks up above 80, I want to buy into that. Let's see what happens. If that thing breaks up into 80, I want to buy.
Break even off that. I was up 300 and it fucking wiped me out break even.
SPX, come on, get back in the orb. We going long.
That shit pulled me out break even, Maxi. I was up 350 off the fucking orb entry.
No.
Break even.
SPX back in the orb. Continuation up right there.
I think it gets bully here. I mean, NQ is still not inside. I like to see NQ go back
He's
in.
dragging ass like a motherfucker, but I love SPX holding right here. I love SPX holding. Let's get up. Let's get up in there and orb. NQ is dragging hella ass. Here it goes.
It's just so lagging behind, bro.
Yeah.
Just lagging behind. We're catching chop and then like 2 little minutes of volume.
Here we go. Hold on. I love this is a reversal back in the orb confirmed. The long is long.
NQ back in.
Oh, yeah.
It looks good.
Oh, yes. The long is longin'. I'm up 900.
It's got to break 300. It's got to break 300. It's not bullish yet until it breaks 300. If it breaks 300, it's hella bullish until then. I'm not convinced.
Come on, baby. Just need to hold this orb. There it goes. There it goes. Keep on going. I want to see NQ hit that 20. There it goes. Keep going. Don't stop. Don't stop. Don't stop the beat. Change. Don't stop. Don't stop.
Yes, midline. Yeah, this is going right now.
Get the feeling blue, your body. Whoa.
This is going right now, boy.
Final PT, I'm trying to get up to like 30. I'm trying to get up to like 30, 35. Final PT, stop losses moving all the way up
like at 45.
Yeah, I'm trying to stop out before that. Fuck that. Come on. Give me up to like 30, 35, and we're going to call it a day on this long. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. Push through, baby. Don't fake it on the bacon SPX midline. Push through it. Yes. Yes. Yeah. Push through it. Come on, SPX midline. Fucking you want to break it.
It looks
so
solid.
Bad. You want to break it so fucking bad, SPX.
Let's see a little downwick and then a full flip on the candle would be nice.
SPX wants to break it so fucking bad. I know it does. It wants to break it so fucking bad. About to get a Treasy.
That's a little down move. I would love to see it flip.
I'm scaling in on a Treasy. Or we get above that fucking, I'm setting another alarm right here. That's my fucking entry, Big Daddy entry. Oh.
Jumped in at 300. So I want to see if it can hold. Jumped in at 300.
My final PT is up there by 35. Come on, 3Z up right here.
3Z would be amazing right now. Yes, rejected midline again.
If SPX hits that 93.50 on a 3Z, I'm scaling in, llama. I'm scaling the fuck in. I don't care about nothing, bro. Let's go. I don't care about nothing on a 3Z. You know I'm going in.
Just gotta go, bro. ES slowed down. I hate that. If ES could 3, you know, 3G through, it'd be nice, but it's kind of lagging, bro. Lagging today.
Turn around, cause that pretty little thing looks good to me.
What do you know about that, Maxie?
What you know about that?
What you know about that?
You know, I know about
really
that.
Though, like on a serious.
You know, I know about that.
Like, what you know about that on a serious note?
Well, I listen to all the old school R&B jams.
Right. I don't want to lose this 300, bro. I really don't.
See what happens here.
Yeah, this is a beautiful break and retest for a continuation, but if it loses it, it's gonna fucking dump us in.
I want to see it push through a little bit, to be honest.
I don't. I want to see that bit hold.
I want to see a little.
I don't know about that, Bobby V.
There it goes. There it goes.
Profits for ripping. There oh my goes. God, I'm up 500.
Told you.
Might have to partial here.
I told you. I said what I said, and I said what I said. I said what I said. I said what I said.
Oh, but I said what I said. I pulled back to 300 was my entry. I was solid. Now we're holding and going.
We're holding it. You know we're holding it.
I just hold on it.
You know we're just holding it. And I love this fucking play. We're holding this, baby. This might be my longest play ever. I've been in this bitch for 5 minutes. I've been in a trade for 5 minutes.
There's the ripper. Right. Come on. We just need a continuation.
There's the alarm. There's the alarm. On the alarm, moving my stop loss all the way up to like 25. Oh my God. Oh my God. There it goes. Final PT. Well, I'm going to trim a little bit more at that like 35. Actually, geez, where's that? 42. All right, let's get the 42. Let's get the 42. There it goes. There it goes. Let's go. Trimming some profit right here. Trimming some profit right here. Moving stop losses up more. Moving that stop loss up more because I don't give a French motherfucking toast. Let's go. Let's get a print through on SPX.
I got 5 micros running. I got 5 micros running right here. I'm officially just trailed. I might even trail right under that candle and just let it go.
Break. Oh my God.
I think I'm gonna just let it go. I think actually I'm just gonna place some ones everywhere. Place a little one up here.
I'm putting some stops. I'm moving my stop up right to the bottom of this candle at like 38 for some cons. 38 for some cons.
I got my last 5 running here. Stops fucking just sitting here. Look at this.
There it goes. I'm out.
These are where my stops are sitting.
I'm all the way out. I'm all the way out. No.
Trailed. I
No,
might
no, no.
even
I don't
trail
like it.
3
I
up
don't like it.
there.
I don't like it. I'm out.
I got 1 micro running. That's it.
Double whip.
We're up
Double whip.
1,300 per account today.
All right.
Fucking
That
sexy.
was unbelievable. Wow.
That
I'm
was
fucking
beautiful.
unbelievable.
That was
Wow.
beautiful.
Wow. I just sold at 40 fucking my final price target. I just sold at 49. 49. 44. Oh, a little bit of slippage. 47. 47 was my sell.
Good.
SPX. I don't like what I'm seeing, but that reversal into fucking orb. There ain't nothing more bullish than a failed bearish move into my motherfucking orb. You just
It's
need to have
one runner
confidence.
running.
You just need to have the confidence
One
to
runner
jump
running.
in that motherfucker. You just need to have the balls, the stones, the intestinal fortitude to jump in that motherfucker when you see it. When you see it, you jump. No hesitation. No hesitation.
I'm still holding a runner, bro, and this runner is running right now. Runner is running. I might even trail it even closer at that point. It's 1 micro.
Code BDM still be giving you 90% off. They forgot to turn my shit off. You hear me?
That was a nice 50 points.
Llama. You want to see the profits?
Let me see them.
You want to see the profits, my boy? You ready?
See my boy.
Leaderboard type shit.
No.
Leaderboard type shit. Leaderboard type shit. You heard me? Leaderboard type shit. You
gotta
heard
have
me?
a stop loss in play because my mouse just died.
We just pulled in
Alright, we're
20 bands. We just pulled in 20 bands. I'm gonna
Damn,
show y'all.
Maxie, you went berserk.
The max way is the only way, my motherfucking boy.
You
Just
went berserk, kiddo.
Yeah, bro, that break back in the orb, that was
It was
crazy.
crispy. And it was
That was
crispy.
crazy. All right, let's hit a profit roll call. Let's hit
That
a
shit was
profit roll
crispy.
call. Roll call. Roll call. A profit roll call. La,
I still have one running.
Profit.
I've still left just one running.
Profit. Gold all in my chain. Gold all in my ring. Gold all in my watch.
Actually, running this roll call or what? Because it's rolling right now. Let's
Not
get
even
them
paying
profits rolling.
attention. No, I gotta get my chain on, cause
Let's get them profits rolling, my boys.
I gotta get my chain on. Just keep the profits rolling.
Keep the profits rolling.
Big Daddy Max, hey, Big Daddy Max. Bro, I just snapped, Llama. I'm not even kidding you, bro.
Rolling.
Bro, that's one of my most impressive trades yet because 1, the market was downtrending. 2, the market had no signs of bullish behavior. And 3, I jumped in on 1 candle print through. 1 with the confluence, bro. I jumped in with SPX. SPX broke 78. I jumped, bro. And we caught the bottom of that fucking trend. I jumped in on that 10 o'clock candle, that 10 o'clock reversal candle at 86 on NQ, rode that thing up, scaled in on orb.
Stellar entry.
Beautiful.
That's a stellar entry. My entry is sitting at 312, which just slipped me because I wanted 300. When we broke over that 236, I told everyone I want to see a pullback to the 236 and I'll jump in. That should slip me 10 points.
All right, my students, real quick. We had.
Am I gonna get pulled out here? My stop's at 330. If anyone's still in the trade, I'm my last runner's at 330. If it hits that, it pulls me out.
Oh, that was futures 1 and 2. Listen, students, futures 1 and 2, and that 10 o'clock candle. There's nothing more bullish than a failed bearish move on SPX. Do you see what I'm saying? You guys tracking? Futures 1 and 2, nothing more bullish than a failed bearish move. The 10 o'clock candle, and I got out. Hey, listen. I got out fucking 5 minutes ago at the same price it's at. So it might go a little higher, but I feel really, really damn good about my exit.
It was a good exit, bro. It was a good exit.
If y'all want to learn, tap into the course. Get the mastermind. Get Futures 1. Get the courses. If you want to learn to make, I just made 20 fucking bands. I just made $20,000. I'm going to show y'all the withdrawal on that motherfucker.
Wait, so are we doing the profit roll call? I have my phone sitting here waiting to record it.
I thought we did a profit roll call.
I thought you were going to be like, oh, skibbity.
Oh, you want me to do the... Right.
Profit roll call!
Right. Run it. Let me see it. Let me start it off. Oh, Big Daddy Max, $20,000 motherfucking dollars. 1542.
Hold on, Max.
389 for 2400. We got 1510 going twice. $200, 1400. 3310. 2335. 1497. Patlin. What's going on? Troy with a bunch of green. 537. 1167. 1506. 279, 281, 1080 was 279, 3143, 778, 588, 1033, 335, 352, 252, 1157, 316, 75, 84, 928, 400, Llamas Gay, 1080, 400, 2K, 480, 330, 21, 1990, 35, 52, 195, 195, 120, 3609, 214, going 5 times, 1256, 1400, 2 more 100, down 1,000. What the
Still
fuck,
rolling.
Terrence? 3561, 2561, 200, 1328, 5600, Yamaha 2500, past the 250K. Congratulations. 450, 1200,
Oh my
428,
God, it's exploding.
1500.
I'm still in the trade.
Llama's running. We running. Hey.
I have one micro up $140. One micro.
Damn. How many ticks?
I mean, if you do the math, that's like what, 260?
Yo, next price target is the top. It broke orb to the upside. We're going for
I'm
a
at my
gap fill.
786 here, so I mean, I would have to just flip this around. But you see the bottom tick of the day, this 236.
Bro, that
That's why you play
236
with
went
them.
crazy, my boy. I just
That's why you
sniped.
play with. That's why you play with the Fibski.
The first breaker structure was nasty work. Nasty.
Now we just
Nobody else caught that, dog. Nobody else just caught what Big Daddy Max caught. Nobody
I'm
just
trailing
caught.
even closer at this point. Let me just let it run. God damn. Who posted that?
Big Daddy Max just fucking snapped. Yo, that candle was fucking 30 points.
Yeah.
Caught it for the account pass. Yeah. Hey, the FFF account pass from my boy McLejow. Damn, I just accidentally passed 7 apexes? Shit, let me hold one of them, player. Let me hold one of them, player. Let me hold one of them things. Oh, shit. Who's ready for the indicator drop? All right, so here's how it's going to work. I'm going to post the link. Not free. It's like $30. So like $30. I'm going to post the link, and there's only 50 redeemable amount. 50. Because we don't want to overload it. We want to do the testing. But I can tell you right now, it's doing good. Just one signal today on NQ. And this is what it looked like. So nice drop, nice range. Get rid of the chop. Get rid of the chop. Start breaking the bank again, ladies and gentlemen. Get rid of the chop. Start breaking the bank. It's called the range breaker. Because you stop the chop and you break the bank. Let's fucking go to work. Let's see on SPX. Nothing. We had the orb indicator was the big fire on SPX today. The orb indicator. Oh, too much sauce on my screen. Not going to go there. Okay. So we're going to dump this.
Are you sharing?
No, hell no.
Oh, no, I'm sharing.
You're sharing. I know. I just was deleting shit off my screen.
I'm still sitting in the trade. I trailed at 344 is what I trailed at.
Get the link. We're linking up. Here we go. Range. Copy. All right. On your mark. On your mark. Get set. Offsides. I caught your ass. I caught your ass. Hey, I see y'all trying to get up in there, boy. I see y'all trying to get up in there. You ain't getting no drop. You ain't getting nothing. Y'all thought I was going to drop an indicator today? I just made 20 grand. I just made 20 grand. I don't fucking drop no indicator, you fucking nerds. Oh, shit, boy. Oh, shit. On your mark, get set, go.
Like that fast?
On your mark, get set, go. There it is. There's a bunch of links. MOT range breaker, absolutely beautiful. You can see at the top the range breaker premium. You can see some of the things, and they even added signals to it, which was interesting. I didn't know they were gonna add the signals. It was an update last night, and development said it was hitting. Here's a copy of last night. Little picture right here. Absolutely. Yeah, appreciate you, Philly. This is one of the best days that I've had. Jamie, don't post it again. Jamie, don't post it again. Don't post it again. Delete that shit, Jamie. Too many requests. Try. Damn, did we hit 50? I don't think we hit 50. Oh, we're at 42. Oh, no, we're at 42. It's at 42. 42. Did we fire Nick yet? No, we didn't fire Nick. The intro was good today. I did yell at him yesterday. Did we fire
Nick yet?
No, Nick the Lesbian's good. We had a really good coaching set or filming sesh, and we had all the good stuff.
Man, that was funny. So he said, "You fire Nick yet?"
He said, "We fire Nick yet?" Nah, Nick did good, boy. Look at that clean 2 weeks in. G7, you see that?
He said they're replacing me with Roger, the transgender.
The price is always going to be the same. The price is the price. We don't change prices here. The price is the price, guys. The price is the price. It's not for free. I just said it wasn't for free. There's no code. There's no trial. We're only letting 50 people sign up for it. That's it. We're only letting 50 people sign up for it. That's it. There's no code or nothing. I don't do discounts. You guys should know this about BDM. I don't do discounts. I don't devalue my products. I told y'all it was $30 fucking. It's open. It's gonna release again. You guys need help adding it to the chart. There's a chat. There should be a chat. If you got in, congratulations, welcome. If you got in on the chat, you can get help there. You can open a support ticket, and our staff will walk you right through. The staff will walk you guys right through. So they will walk you right through. Damn, I see you guys having trouble. Hold on.
Yeah, I'm still in the long. Yeah. Still just sitting here in the long. My stop is at 344. I'm just hanging around. I'm 200 ticks in profit.
Stand by. Stop DMing me. Stand by. Stop DMing me.
There is no discount code. Can I get the discount code? There is no discount code. It's
All right,
$30.
I opened it up for another 50. No, I opened it up for another 50. A lot of people got tapped out. Stop DMing me. I opened it up for another 50. That should be enough people. I didn't realize that many motherfuckers were trying to get into the range box.
Yeah, bro. I'm up 300 ticks, by the way.
Support moderators, help everyone get their indicator set up. Everyone, support team, you're on indicator duty. Congratulations to those who got in. Congratulations. Big Daddy Max. Damn, I fucking snapped today. Hey, quit showing the indicator off, bro. And you can mess around. But that drop, boy, look at that drop. Mess around with it, have some fun, but good job, guys. The reason I ask because if you have a discount code, we do not do discounts. If you guys want the discount, here's a discount. Here's a discount. Now
I'm gonna move my trail from 344 up to 356, and I'm 300 ticks in profit now.
When it's sign up, it asks you. No, we don't do discounts. We don't do
72
discounts.
Points of profit.
Damn, nice. Bro. Why does my eye look like that? That's crazy.
That shit is hidden by a big ass forehead.
Yo, why is my eye about to pop? Yes. The indicator, the guys on the Power Hour special are gonna drop it again. So don't worry about a thing. Moni's bugging, bro. How
much have I made so far? I've already trailed $1,200 per account, and I have another $130 floating 300 ticks in profit.
Moni's on some bullshit, dog.
But what'd you say?
She just be pissing me off, bro. She scrolls through our shit. She scrolls through my shit, and she finds some old ass fucking. Centrell wants us to give away a course, bro. Damn. Should we give away a whole course on Friday?
Are you crazy?
Hold on.
Give away a course. I'm about to up the price on my course. I'm gonna give
it away right now. I'm gonna give one right here. There's one.
I'm actually just gonna up the price.
Here you go. Hold on. There's me with my shirt off. There's a picture of me with my shirt off, ringing the bell. Harder, better, faster, stronger. There's me right there. Hold on. We give away one more course. They give away one more course. There's me with the bench press. No big deal with the muscles with my boy David Goggins. If you guys need a class on the range indicator, there is a private channel called the MOT Range Breaker.
I'm about to get pulled out.
Support staff can help you there, or you could always book a coaching session with Logan or Javi. And Logan or Javi, these are their indicators. Big Daddy Max only just kind of tells them how to make them right. How to make them good, so we're not one of these fuck offs. I would highly suggest booking with Logan. I gave Logan permission to teach my future strategy if he has to dig into it. He has full permission to teach one of my future strategies during his coaching session. Yo, let me use AI to automate 80% of your back end, bro. Let's talk. Fuck off. Yo, Max, do you service clients globally or just in your own country, bro? Let me know. Fuck off.
Locked.
You know what the worst sales ones are on Instagram? The people that are like, Max, I just made this person $32,817. If I could do the same for you, would you be interested? And I'm like, who the fuck is that person? I don't even know who they are.
Big ass page.
And secondly, I just made 20 bands. I'm Big Daddy Max. What the fuck?
I get those shits all the time, bro. That shit's hella annoying. They always say, do you offer mentorship? And then I reply with the link, and they're like, oh, I can help you automate and make 58,000. I'm like, okay, buddy, sure you can. I'm sure you can, there, Rocco.
Big Daddy Max. Big Daddy.
We're just chopping. NQ doesn't want to break out of orb, but ES is already just sitting on top of orb.
Hey, those of y'all that just got the indicator, right? Look, check that out. Well, what did Llama just say? Hey, that's gas, Llama. Tell me that's not gas, bro. Tell me that's not gas, bro.
Yep.
Sheesh.
Just hit it, my boy.
That shit's
That
hitting.
shit's hitting.
I know that's right.
That shit's just sitting there, just hitting. That's why I got my stop right under the range, just in case it does break out of it. If someone is inviting me to another Discord on private message, do I report him? You put it in the We Hate Scammers section, and we will ban.
If someone's
We
trying to
will ban.
yeah, hold on, tag. Yeah, if someone, hold on, tag him right here. Let's just tag him right here. Let's see.
Air him out. Send the screenshot.
Yeah, go ahead. Send a screenshot. Tag him,
Send
man.
a screenshot.
Ox that motherfucker. Let's see it. Who
Let's see
thinks
who it is.
they can outdo Big Daddy Max in the MOT tag? Who the fuck thinks the MOT tag isn't king? Big Daddy Max. Big Tom Master. Become of the #1 disc community. Forex, crypto, penny, future, stocks, spots. Countless generator. Tab Master. Moderators, get the Tab Master out of here. 135. Right here. There he is. This one's mine.
Get fucked. Yeah, we're just hanging around, bro. Like, I'm hanging around floating fucking 250 ticks in profit.
Bro, that's nasty work, my guy. You did good. You did good.
Really
Range
just hanging
already
around.
at work. So this was a pretty epic Friday. I'm not gonna lie. Hitting this kind of profit on Friday is very exciting. Sarah, you don't have the MOT tag? You know what? Actually, get Sarah up on stage right now. My own student, you don't have the MOT tag? Get her up here right now. Sarah, come on the Big Daddy Morning Show. Sarah, camera's on. Sarah.
Hi.
Hi, Sarah. How are you?
Hello, Sarah.
Thank you. How are you?
Very good.
Hello.
Sarah, you've been with me for a while, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, you've been here around. I mean, I see the name. I see you in the chat. You rocking, girl. But you don't have the MOT tag?
No, I don't know how to add it.
Okay, real quick, Sarah. Did you catch that long this morning?
I have a problem in our house. There's a leakage on the roof, and some guys are working on there. And yeah, I
Well,
cannot trade.
You can't trade. You
No,
got the Mexicans on
no.
the roof.
Yeah.
What
I
are
shouldn't have
they-
said.
Not Mexican.
That was
Chinese.
fucked
shouldn't-
up. That was
I shouldn't have
fucked
said that. Yeah, I definitely shouldn't have said that.
That's fucked up.
Where are you from, Sarah?
Originally from Iran, but
Alright.
I'm a
Hell yeah.
Canadian citizen. I'm living in Toronto.
Iran, pretty cool. Toronto. You know,
Pretty gay.
Are you a hockey fan?
No, not really.
Okay, nothing wrong. Nothing wrong with that, Sarah.
But,
Nothing wrong.
but I'm sure that Florida Panthers can
Atta
win.
girl. Atta
Did we
girl,
break out of the
Sarah.
box?
Did we break the
Sorry?
box? Hold on, let's check the chat. We're testing the top of it right now. Hold on, we're testing the top of it right now. See if
Top
that
of it is
thing
300
goes.
ticks profit for me.
That's also lined up right at the top of Orb. So beautiful, beautiful line in the box. Sarah, how's your trading been going? We've been on a heater recently.
Yeah, I'm trying to catch up, but I'm not profitable that much. I'm trying my best. I evaluated about 10 accounts, but not payout yet.
Not bad.
No
I
payout
have
yet.
all
Okay.
all my evaluated accounts, but didn't reach to payout.
Okay. Okay. But have you been getting funded?
How?
Like you're getting the funded accounts, but not hitting the payout threshold.
Yeah.
So
Yeah,
you're
not
passing
yet.
the evals, but
Yeah.
you're not getting to the payout threshold. Okay. Okay. So there's a disconnect here between passing the evaluations and then handling the
Mhm.
pressure of a funded account.
Yeah.
Have you oh, they're really working on the roof. I can hear them.
Yeah, really.
Oh. Have you did you try scaling
about
down? No, don't apologize. Did you scale down your size?
No.
You just were like, let me keep trading the way I'm trading and it's gonna work, but then something happened. What do you think the main reason is that
I didn't lost any of my evaluated account, but they are not even reached to the payout.
oh, so you haven't blown them. You just
Yeah.
you haven't
No,
gotten there
I
yet.
haven't. I have.
Good shit. Okay. What prop are you trading with?
Apex, and recently I added one TPT.
Badass.
with the
TPT.
code BDM.
Absolutely killing it. I know that's right, girl. We appreciate you. For everyone listening, if you ain't a student of Max, don't forget to hit that P2P though from my boy Llama Red Pajama. On TPT, BDM or P2P, but BDM, I'll tell you right now, Apex is still 90% off. I don't know what the
Yep.
fuck they got going on. This is the longest 90% off sale they're having, and apparently it's going through the weekend. That's the rumor, is that it's going through the weekend. So I don't know.
They got smacked for $4 million. They need to have
I'm
the
so sorry
discounts.
about
They did get some. No, it's okay, Sarah. Sarah, real quick, I want you click on the user settings on the bottom left of the screen, and then you click on profiles. If you click on user settings on the bottom left of your screen on Discord, and then their second tab should say profiles. If you scroll to the bottom of your profile, you're gonna see server tag at the bottom of profile, girl. And I hear if you put the MOT tag, you have a 10% chance of getting paid out. That is a rumor.
True.
That is a rumor. But if you have the MOT tag, there is a 10% chance that you're higher that you're going to get a payout.
Okay.
That's just what I'm being told. That's what I'm being told. So I don't know how true it is. So, but I want you to throw
I
that
will try.
MOT tag on, girl. And I'm
Sure.
proud of you. I want you to get to that payout threshold. And a little motivation for you. If you make it to the payout threshold and you get paid, I'm going to throw you another 50K TPT account to congratulate you.
I love
Okay,
that.
thank
A
you.
little
Thank you
incentive
so
for
much.
you to stay locked in and get yourself another free account because I think you can do it. You're a student of mine. You know I hold you guys to a very high regard. And so I think you can do it. So once you get that payout, you let me and Llama know, and I'm gonna throw you another account to congratulate you for a little motivation.
Yes,
Sure.
sir.
Thank you. Thank
Hell
you
yeah.
so much.
No problem. We appreciate you, Sarah. Keep on
Thank
grinding.
you. Thank you so much.
No
Have a
problem.
good day.
You too. Get
Bye.
those roofers the hell out of there. Those damn roofers. My family owns a roofing company. I always try and motivate my students. They're so badass. I love all my fucking students. So I don't love all my students, to be honest. There's been a couple that really pissed me off recently, Llama. There's been a couple of my students that really pissed me off recently. Number one, Logan really pissing me off. Logan really pissing me off.
Yeah. I get it.
Two, Javi, absolutely fucking pissing me off.
Did you read the chat?
Absolutely.
You're like, some of them piss me off, and Logan's like, yeah, some of them are gay. And then you're like, Logan pisses me off, and he's like, shit.
yeah, the gay ones are pissing me off. Logan, he went, oh shit, bro. I've been telling people, bro, Logan is the funniest person in this fucking Discord. No, and you just people aren't paying attention. Logan's the funniest person in this fucking Discord. It's crazy, my boy. Crazy. Chat, it's 10:33. Congratulations on those who got the indica. Oh my god, I never sold my options. And it was so fucking low earlier. Fuck.
You're cooked, Max. You're cooked.
No, the whole chat is cooked. No, the whole fucking chat is cooked. Someone was supposed to tell me. No one even told me. Seriously, you dumbasses. The whole chat is fucking cooked. Seriously.
Oh, they're helping you out now. Hey, Max, sell options.
Wow, now the premium is total dog shit. Wow, the whole chat is cooked. Seriously. The whole chat is cooked.
Oh, wait, Max. Did it make your 125 today?
No, bro. Oh, I'm going a little higher. I'm getting risky. I just sold some Q premium for $219. $219. So getting a little risky here. We're getting a little risky. $219 on a $900,000 account. I'm just kidding.
Rich ass little motherfucker.
I'm just kidding.
You rich ass Ashkenazi.
Max, you said you were going to sell them at the beginning of the show. Yeah, I say a lot of things. I have fucking severe ADHD, dumbass. I don't even know my brain. If you aren't tracking, my brain is scrambled fucking eggs, and I got to figure out where the next piece is.
Call what about though?
I don't think I have ADHD, honestly. I think I got like 87 HD. You know what I'm saying? What happened there? Whoa. What happened there? You had to adjust?
I like to sit on like a leg.
Like a lean?
No, like I put one leg on the chair.
Is your chair kind of canted?
I have a Herman Miller. You know what that is?
No, I'm sorry. When did you get diagnosed with that?
Yeah. Type Herman Miller on fucking Google and you tell me, bucko.
You got a Let me see. Hey, bro, you better not be talking about your fucking chair. Herman Miller chair. Herman Miller.
Put some fucking respect on my name, pussy.
You got a $500 chair?
500.
Oh, you got the $1,200 one. He said it again.
I didn't say it.
He said it again.
I didn't say it, bro. The wheels are 500. You tripping? And I'm about to get stopped out at 56. Oh,
guys, now I got to give the speech. Damn it! Nothing we do is financial advice. We're here for entertainment purposes. And Llama is Peruvian, 100% Peruvian, South American. He's not American. He's from Peru. He's South American. He's also from Broward County. So a lot of gray area here. And he's a chameleon. So with Max, he acts more like Max. And when he's with his other friends from Broward County, he acts when he's with all the when he's with all the YNs from Broward County, you know what I'm saying? So when he's with Q,
When I'm with Q.
yeah. And so he's good. He's good. There's a lot of gray there up for interpretation.
Like,
Now,
what are you explaining this for? Like what? Like let's get real here.
it's a disclaimer.
No need to disclaim shit. All right, I'm cut like that. I stole a Herman Miller from work, and they what the? You stole a Herman Miller?
He said I'm cut like that.
He said they fired me. This guy said I stole a Herman Miller from work when they fired me, wheeled it to the parking lot, put that bitch in my Honda, and drove off. You could have sold that chair and bought a new Honda. Oh, we broke out. I'm still in the trade.
No,
320 ticks of profit.
You're still in that one micro?
I'm still in that long because I'm fucking him Johnson. All right, Bucko?
No shot.
No shot. Look at my chart. Bucko. You think I fuck around on these charts? They call me Himothy for a reason.
Yeah, my boy's getting quick with the copy paste. Guys, my prediction against the Panthers Oilers this year, I think the Panthers are a much more in-depth team, but I can see that the Oilers are on a heater. The problem is the Oilers cannot score on the Cats like that. They cannot
got
score
70
on the Cats like that. There's too much depth and they play too much grunge hockey. I personally think that the Florida Panthers are going to win in 6 this year in Edmonton. I think they're going to win in Edmonton.
Adjusted SL, boys. We're now at 71 adjusted. Yo, Max, did you see that video I sent you last night? I know I said you should watch this, so that made you probably not watch it, but did you watch it?
One time did you send me a video?
Bro, Llama, you know your ass is up all night.
I didn't know Llama was like a meme guy. How many of you have friends that send you memes all day long? How many of you have friends that just send you memes all day long? And I have like 3 or 4 of these dudes, and they're friends of mine. I try and be nice, but I don't respond to a couple of them, and they just send me hundreds of memes. And now I didn't realize Llama's a meme guy. And
you don't watch them, bro?
I don't.
Up, bro. Like, how do you not watch them shits?
Whoa. Hold on.
Whoa. I ain't sending no booty. What you going at?
I watched something. What'd you send me?
That wasn't me. I sent you hockey. I don't even send you funny memes.
It's probably gonna be something.
No, bro, you would like it. It's that hockey shit. That dumbass hockey shit. Look at Jay Titto made a group chat with me and Max. I'm about to block his dumbass. He send memes all fucking day.
No, bro. These people got so many memes coming my way. It's like, and I have a very unique personality. I don't know if you guys know this or not, but I have a very unique personality. I'm very dark. I like dark humor. I like very dark humor.
Yeah, you only laugh at the videos of fucking Down syndrome and shit.
That's not funny. That's cool. But
That's not funny. That's cool.
Like, to me, for example here, the funniest joke I think I've ever said on this show. The funniest joke I've ever said on this show was
stopped out.
The guy who was going to
I'm out.
The guy who was going to his dad's funeral, and when we asked him about his trading, he said that he had a red day. And then I said, "Oh wow!" No, he had a good day trading. He had a green day trading, and he said he was up like a couple $100. And I was like, "Wow!" So you had one win and one loss today. The win was $300, and the loss was your father.
That was legendary. I can't believe we didn't make a short out of that. Like, yo, we gotta. What's up with these editors, bro? We gotta fire these guys.
That would be the funniest and most insane edit ever. It is the best piece of dark humor content I've ever made.
Yeah, I don't understand. That was a viral moment there.
He laughed, and that's what's important. Was that he was having a rough day? Yeah. That made him laugh, and that's all that matters.
Right.
That's all that matters.
Right. I think his name was Showtime.
He was a good dude. See, Birch, I just tagged you in the chat.
I finally got pulled out of the fucking trade, bro. Piece of shit. Pulled me out.
Oh,
motherfucker, bro. It was a fucking snipey, though. Any point trade, take those.
So easy.
Take
Oilers
those.
at 4. You're bugging, fat fucking. Look at your neck beard. Hold on. Get up here. Actually, get up here. Get up here, Zoogie. Zoogie. Is that a picture of you?
He's been dying to come on, bro. Bring him up. He's always DMing me.
Oh yeah, get your camera on.
He's got a ginger beard.
He got a ginger Llama. You can't say that word.
Your brother.
I know. That's why I brought him up. I was gonna just. Oh shit! I kicked him. I kicked him on accident.
Oh shit! I kicked him.
God damn it! Ziggy, he's got to come back now. Someone invite that guy back. Y'all are tripping. The Oilers are a worse team than last year. They just lost Hyman. Skinner is dog shit. And we have way more depth this year. How the fuck do y'all think that they're going to win? Because what? Connor McDavid beat Dallas? Connor McDavid can't beat. We are 8-3 against Edmonton. We smoked them. Fucking Draisaitl has no idea how to play against the Cats because they smoke him all fucking days getting checked. Suck my balls. Ain't gonna be a good series. Cats in 5.
Cats in 5. Fuck.
To be honest, I don't even know what button I hit. Bro, there's no shot you think Skinner's the best goalie in the league. There's no shot you actually think that. Oh, there it is. What's up, my boy? My bad. Hey, my bad.
What's going on with you?
My bad.
Hold up, let me turn the camera on. Hold up. Yo.
Wait, where's the beard?
Where's the beard?
Right here. I trimmed it up.
What's it right here? Showed us his armpit hair.
You look vastly different than the picture. I thought I was going to meet this nice chubby guy with a red beard, and you look greatly different. Is this?
Yeah, I played hockey for 12 years, Max.
Okay, where at?
At Philly. I'm a Flyers fan.
I know what you are. You're a WN. I could tell by the tone. You're a WN.
I can hear you now.
No, it's called the YC. It's called the YC.
What's it called? A YC?
A YC.
You're a YC. I can tell you're from Philly.
Yeah, yep.
Yeah, I can hear it. Baby. You used to do some gangbanging shit, didn't you?
You used to do some gangbanging.
I know.
It was on the block.
I could tell, bro. I could tell. You know them gingers always up to no good.
You ain't lie about that.
You know them gingers always late.
No. I'm on time. I'm responsible.
Right.
What part of Philly are you from?
I'm on the outskirts. I live in like Allentown area.
Okay.
But I moved out here. I had to get out of Philly. I was getting in trouble and shit.
Right. Yeah, the city's not a good place. Philly.
Oh no.
The football team's really good.
Yo, that place is a shithole though.
Yeah, their football team.
Oh my god.
Yeah, Philly is a total shithole.
Total shithole.
Yeah, so you fuck with the
Saquon
Flyers.
Barkley, man, that boy's nice. What?
You fuck with the Flyers. So talk to me a little bit about. Talk to me a little bit about.
Die-hard Flyers fan.
So what's your assessment on the Stanley Cup final? Be honest.
So I like the Panthers. I was just fucking with you. I like the Panthers, and I like them in 7 though. I like them coming back home and winning in Florida.
Oh, I don't know if my heart can handle another game 7, boy. One of the most sad things that happened to me. I went to games 1, 2, and 5, and then me and my wife, we couldn't make it to 7. It was devastating.
Isn't that the worst feeling?
Yep.
That's the worst feeling. So when I first started going to Flyers games in '97, bro, they got beat by the Red Wings in 4 at home. I was at that game in '97. I was like 10 years old or something like that.
Oh yeah,
I was young.
You've been a fucking fan for a hot minute.
Bro. My dad had season tickets for a while. They upped the price on him, so he said, "Fuck that shit." But yeah, I've been going for a while, bro. That's my favorite sport in the world.
It's one of mine. I'm a huge football fan, but football and hockey, there's the only 2 things I care about. And then I just root for Florida teams. It doesn't matter what Florida team it is. I'm like a diehard Green Bay Packer, Florida Panthers guy, and then I just root for all Florida teams after that. If it's from Florida, I'm rooting for it.
See, I can appreciate good hockey though. You know what I'm saying? Like I love the Flyers, but they suck.
Right.
I can appreciate good hockey.
They are in a fucking dumper right now, but they listen, there's some good prospects.
Bro, years.
Good. They just need to pick up some good prospects, put some money into it.
Yeah, I saw that.
Right now, the city's putting money into football.
They get rid of their prospects though. They trade all their prospects off like dickheads.
Like what?
Like what the fuck are you doing?
Hold on, what did you call them?
Like dickheads.
Prospects like dickheads. Like dickheads.
Dickheads.
Like a dickhead.
What's a dick? A decade?
A decade?
A dickhead. A dickhead.
Oh, you got. Hey, quit screaming Philadelphia at me.
Right, come on.
My fault, bro.
We don't want to hear them Johns.
We're talking all that Philly. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Where's Monique from? She's from Philly.
No, she's not.
Yeah, Monique's from Philly.
She'll be on the blog.
Get Monique up here. Let's get Monique up here. Let's see. I want to know if they could talk Philly to each other and have a full conversation. Let's see.
Right.
Who else? Right. There's some thick Philly up in the Discord.
She said she's not ready yet. What does that even mean, Monique?
The one dude you had up and you gave him that Hero FX account, he's from Philly.
But he's Puerto Rican, so that kind of overtook the Philly.
Right.
Nah.
No?
I could probably talk to his ass.
Right.
Eighth. Eighth. Hey, I didn't know Philly had that strong of an accent.
Right.
Philly? Who else is from Philly and got a strong Philly accent? There she
I
is.
can't put my camera on.
Why not?
Come on, Monique.
Because I'm not camera ready.
Stop with the bullshit.
Hey, Zoogie, my girl Monique, what you think about her?
I'm over here
What
trying
do
to
you
cook
mean?
my
What do I think about her?
What you think about her?
What you think?
What you think, player?
I'm already taken, brother.
Hey,
Oh, for real? Damn.
come on now.
Yeah, I got my son sleeping. My son loves you guys' freaking show, man. He loves this
Hey,
shit.
yo. How
Hell
old
He's
yeah.
is
sleeping.
he?
He's sleeping. Well, you need to quit yelling. You screaming through that motherfucking camera, dog.
Fuck
can't
that,
even
I'm on
help
the
it.
Big Daddy Max show right now,
He
motherfucker.
can't even help it.
I know that's right.
Fuck that.
Fuck
Get
them.
your ass up.
Oh, I ain't getting no sleep because of y'all.
That's
You know,
right.
fucking sleeping in this joint because we on the Big Daddy Max show, motherfucker.
Let's
So
go.
fuck up.
Yo. Hold on.
That's crazy. He
Can you
said
say
the
it?
whole
Can you
crib need to
hold
wake
on,
up.
hold on. Production. Where's JJ? Nick, hold on. I want you to get the sound clip. Zoog. I want you to say it right though. Say, ain't no sleeping. I'm on the Big Daddy motherfucking morning show. I want you to say it right.
Ain't no fucking sleeping. We on the Big Daddy Max show. Fuck up.
Morning show. Big Daddy morning show.
Ain't no fucking sleeping. We on the Big Daddy Max morning show. Get the fuck up.
No,
Yo, the
no,
veins popping out and everything.
no, it's just Big Daddy morning show. Let me get ain't no sleeping.
My bad. Ain't no fucking sleeping. We on the Big Daddy morning show. Get the fuck up.
Nah, that was another orb situation. That was another orb
Get up.
situation.
The Big Daddy morning show. Boy, get over here. Come on, get over here. Introduce
You
yourself.
gonna have me
Let's go.
burning my
Introduce
pancakes.
yourself. Introduce yourself.
Let's go. Come on, boy. Get over here.
He said,
Where
do
your
we call the
legs at?
cops? The chat said, do we call the cops?
Oh, don't
Somebody
cry.
breaking
Come on, stop.
Oh man.
Oh boy, come on, don't look. You're on the show. Say hi. You're on the show.
Hey, little YC.
Say hi. Say hi to everybody.
What did you just
Say
call
hi to
it?
everybody. Hi. Hi,
What's
boy.
your
Hey,
You
YC.
scared them.
My
What's your
name's
name?
Llama.
He's okay. His name's Thomas.
Bro, I
Hey,
thought you were yelling
Thomas.
at like a 17-year-old.
Dang,
No,
she
she got
ain't
a
right.
4-year-old.
Yo.
It's my guy though. He
What's
loves
up,
the
little
morning
man?
show. He loves it.
What
Say hi,
what
everybody.
what's he like to do?
He loves everything. He likes cars. He
What's
likes we just got him one of the McQueen, like the McQueen ride-alongs.
Oh, nice. What's his favorite food?
What's your favorite food, buddy? What do you like to eat? He likes Pop-Tarts and he likes
What
chocolate
flavor?
and candy.
What
Wait till
flavor?
bro, wait till Brooke grows up. It's all candy. That's all the fuck they want
No,
is
hell
candy,
no.
bro.
You don't
Like,
know
come
my
on,
wife.
man.
You don't know my wife. She ain't getting no candy.
She gonna smack that down?
Yeah, hard. Hard.
That down.
She gonna
Yo,
smack
Max,
that down hard.
I'm really wondering something.
Yeah, go ahead.
What's up?
Do you
Yeah, go ahead.
change? Do you change the battery in your smoke detector?
I'm not sure where it's at, bud.
Me?
No, not you, Max.
Who? Oh, Zoogs?
Like, there's possibility
it.
that he doesn't change the battery
And what?
in your smoke detector.
You gotta change it, bro. Once it starts beeping at you, you gotta change it.
Whoa.
I
Okay.
verified
So
it.
he can't say it then.
There's verification. That's what we needed.
I ain't
All
gonna
right.
lie, I got one beeping in my house.
Of course you do, Moni. We're not
Of course, I
surprised.
mean, naturally.
Naturally is crazy.
Maybe.
Naturally
Yeah,
is crazy, Max.
maybe. Zoogs.
Production.
Zoogs, do you
Put
have
that one out.
Zoogs? Hold on. Do you have any plans with your son? You got a very cute little boy. What you got any plans this weekend?
What is this weekend? So my birthday was just last weekend. My birthday was on Memorial Day weekend. Birthday, the 25th. This weekend, I don't think we're really doing anything.
Nothing. You got no plans? What's
I don't
fun to
think
do?
so.
What's fun to do around your area?
So we like to go to the tractor pools. I live in the country now.
What's a tractor
Yeah,
pool?
so like they do just tractor pools, like they do so like you know how like they try to go fast and shit and see how far they can pull the tractors and shit.
No, I don't know what that is. I have no idea what you're talking about. Tractor pool. Is that a GIF of a tractor pool? Is that what it looks like? Whoa, okay.
What, a tractor pool?
You gotta see the chat.
Like a John
something
Deere?
like that. Yup.
Well, they do that every weekend?
Yeah, they do that every weekend. We live like I live right at like by the Poconos. If you know where the Pocono Mountains.
I know the mountains. I don't know where on your side it looks like, but I am aware of the Poconos. How much does it cost to go to a tractor pull like that?
Just a couple $. It's like
cheap.
$20 to enter or something like that.
Nice.
Nice.
And so you got, and where's your old lady at right now?
She's working. She works on eyeglasses. She does eyes like optometrical shit.
Nice.
Optometrical, whatever. I don't even know what the name of it is.
Optometrical. Damn.
Optometrical with the eyes, dog. With the eyes. I don't know what this shit is.
She's an optometrist. She's an optometrist.
Yeah,
Optomical.
yeah, there you go.
Optomical.
Optropical.
Optomical.
It's like
Octopus?
Transformers. She transforms.
You heard Monique? She said octopus.
This is crazy work. This is Zuggs. You are hella funny, my guy. Hey, Zuggs, what's your little man's favorite spot?
What do you mean? Like what? Like to go to?
Like
to
food,
eat, to hang out.
What's his spot?
To play.
So like I live in
Park.
the middle of nowhere. So like the closest Walmart is a half hour away.
Damn.
Wait, what was talking about? Walmart?
He like, you know what? I know you don't like the place, but he likes the buffet, the Golden Corrals.
Ooh, it could be better, but it is still good.
Yeah.
Yep.
He likes Golden Corral.
Just like that.
Corral.
He's back.
You don't like it, Max. I know you you ain't a fan of it, but he likes it.
I'm not. I do not. I don't dine with the buffets. I don't like the buffets.
I know you don't.
None of them.
15
Dude, I've been
buffet
tuning in
cups.
for months, bro. I've been tuning in for months.
That's awesome. Are you a trader?
I'm a trader. I'm trying to get these damn fucking
Why
funded.
you sound offended?
Bro, I just can't get there. I be over trading. I be telling Llama. I told him. I talk to Llama like once in a while, and I'm like, bro, I got overtrade. I got to stop trading without y'all.
Nah, thanks.
Y'all, that's my problem. Is I overtrade. I like the charts.
Yeah. No, you got to stop overtrading, baby. I mean, you got to go figure out something else to do. That's the number. You hear how many people we have come up here and they say the same thing. I've been overtrading. I can't get out. I can't stop.
So I got to make a goal for myself. Like set like a $300 limit. Like if I make $300, stop for.
Right.
Like you said always, it's not a race. Slow down and just pace yourself.
Right. No, you absolutely have to. You have to. What prop you trading with?
So I've done them all. I've done the FFS, I've done the TPTs, I've done a Top Step. So I got accounts with all of them. Right.
I mean the TPT solid, FFF solid, Top Step. I mean all good.
Yeah, I like TPT and FFF.
TPT, FFF's new plans are probably the best for the
I just
trader.
grabbed a couple of those.
Yeah, they're crazy good for the trader. That's really nice. But TPT overall,
$79 with the discount.
Yes,
$79 with the discount.
With no
Can't beat that shit. And $40 resets
with no activation fee.
With no activation.
Yeah, it's crazy work. Those are nice.
That's where the Top Step was killing me with that activation.
Right. I just passed 4 of them, and yesterday me and Llama just passed 8 FFF accounts in the last 2 days.
I know. I was trying to reset my account today to catch that fucking trade with y'all, but it's having a problem resetting. So I messaged the technical support, and they said that everybody's having problems.
Right. So which one you like better, TPT or FFF?
I like FFF.
You like FFF? What? I'll make you a deal, Zoo. You want to make a deal?
Yeah, go ahead.
You got some crazy ass energy, but you're a fan of the show. But I gotta tell you something. I thought you were waking up like a fucking 15-year-old. That's a 4-year-old. Nah, he was so sad, bro. He was upset.
It's time for him to get up, bro. It's freaking 11 o'clock in the afternoon.
Okay. Well,
give him at least something, though.
Regardless, what I want you to do, Zuggs, and we're gonna make a deal. All right. You down to make a proposition?
Right. Of course, let's go. I'm ready to run it. Let's go.
It's a 2-part deal. All right. It's a 2-part deal. The first part works out. And if you follow through with the first part, you're going to get the second part. Does that make sense?
Okay. Yes.
Here's how it's going to work. I want to send you $250, and I want you to take your boy out this weekend to go get his favorite food, take him to the tractor pull, whatever he likes to do. I want you to just go out with your boy, and I want you to take pictures. Right. I want you to show us.
Okay.
I want you to take pictures.
All right, can I take my wife? Can she come? The wife can come too?
Yeah, absolutely.
Of course.
Okay.
I forgot about the wife. I'll send you 300 now.
Okay, cool.
I'm gonna send you 300 cash, and I want you to take your family out and your boy and go get him his favorite foods and all his shit. Take him somewhere fun, get him toys, whatever he likes. Get him a video game, whatever he likes. You take care of your boy and show me all the fun shit that you did this weekend. And then next week, I'm gonna send you a couple FFF accounts on the house.
Hey, let's go.
So if you take if you take your boy out to a good fucking awesome weekend and you guys just go have some family fun together, then I'm gonna follow up and double down, and I'm gonna give you double the amount in FFF accounts.
Go, let's fucking go, Max.
Nobody
Llama,
do it like
yeah.
that.
There it
Fucking
is.
go, bro.
Does that
I'm
sound
on
fair?
that shit. After I'm done with y'all, messaging and wife, like
Lock in.
whatever you got, we not doing nothing. We're going out.
Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Is that was I gotta admit, your son is hella cute. You're ugly as fuck. I don't know. You must have a
Hey,
very pretty
yo!
wife. Because your son was he was a very handsome young man.
She decent.
He was
Yo,
rubbing his
let me
eyes.
tell you, this boy,
She
bro, this boy knows how to use the microwave and cook his own food already.
And damn,
Oh,
he's
wow.
4. I hope so.
Well, not a lot of kids at 4 don't know how to do that shit.
They sure don't.
It is true.
Right,
It is
Monique
true.
still has trouble.
It is true. My nephew's 5.5. We call him Bam Bam. He's basically like fucking Tarzan. So he's one of the
Why would they
funniest.
cook his own food?
Just romping through shit, huh?
Yeah, he just goes through it, boy. We goes through it. Llama. This dude Llama, bro, without hesitation. First of all, we're definitely gonna send you 300. W's in the chat for my boy Llama real quick. Without hesitation, P2P sent you $150. What do you think that's for? That's his half. He don't fuck around, bro. Llama don't fuck
I
around.
know, bro. Llama's a
Yes.
good dude. I told Llama, I said, yo, bro, save me a fucking mentorship position. As soon as I make the bread, I'm coming in, bro. My
No,
dad's
guess
gonna go
what?
hash with me, so we in there.
You got the best opportunity right now, and all you have to do is go have fun with your son this weekend. That's all you got to go do
Oh,
is
yeah.
have fun with
You
your
already
son.
know.
Take a bunch of fucking photos. Come show us on Monday. As soon as I see them photos and you tell me about your weekend, doubling up on FFF accounts, loading you up.
You ain't lie. You already know I'm on that, bro. I'm on that.
Oh yeah, make sure don't forget the
Lock
photos.
in.
Bring little
Don't be
man out.
overtrading.
Have
You
a
got
blast.
this.
Yeah, and don't overtrade this weekend. I want this weekend to be a good reminder of why you should not overtrade. Because when you're losing that bread, you're not hurting yourself. You're hurting the other 2 people that you're going to have fun with this weekend. Remember that.
You ain't lie about that.
Remember
You ain't
that.
lie about
Everyone
that.
should have a why. Everything I do for my family. Do not fuck this up. Remember that. So
I
you
will
go
not.
out this
I will
weekend.
not. I'll make y'all too proud, bro. I really will.
Go out this
I
weekend and
respect
remind
y'all, bro. I
yourself.
respect both of y'all.
Yeah.
I love what you're doing, bro. I love both. I got much love for both of y'all.
And we appreciate you. You have some
Appreciate
crazy
that,
ass
bro.
energy, Zugs. I can't wait to see what kind of
bro.
weekend y'all have. You're a funny ass dude. Enjoy that.
Hey, so what do you want me to do? Open a support ticket?
That's all I need is your Zelle information. Open a support ticket.
All right, cool. All right, thanks, bro.
We appreciate
Love
you, man.
y'all.
You and the fam have an epic fucking weekend. I need at least 10 photos. At least.
Oh, we're gonna take at least 20 and some videos.
Awesome. Awesome. Good shit, bro.
All right, buddy.
We'll see you soon, Zugs.
Love, bro.
All right, cool. Thanks, bro.
Monique, you didn't even turn your camera on. Oh, now you turn. Why'd you do that, Monique?
I was cooking and I wasn't ready.
What are you cooking?
What are you cooking?
Breakfast.
What is it?
Hold on.
Hold on.
How I turn this camera around?
I like how you got that. I like how you got that house party 4 hairdo right now. Damn. Yo, hold on.
Don't get the picture.
Do it again.
Yo, why does that look fire? What is that?
Yo, she
it's
got
pancakes and eggs.
Yo, Monique be cooking more than just her accounts.
Right.
Damn.
That shit looks fire. Them fluffy ass pancakes. What's up with that?
You know, you gotta get the crispy edges. That's the only way.
Shout out Tebs. I knew Tebs wasn't gonna miss that. Shout out Tebs. I knew he wasn't. Yeah. Damn, they got Monique heavy. Bro, I ain't never seen Monique that happy. And we got the pancakes, and she just slapped the eggs right on top of that.
Right. You gonna put the maple syrup on the eggs too?
Yeah, I do.
Of course.
Ain't nothing wrong with that. Ain't nothing wrong with that. No, ain't no sausage. No sausage.
Nah, I ran out and I ain't feel like going to the store.
Right.
You're lazy as hell. Right. Yeah, you lazy as a motherfucker.
Yo.
Damn, that
shit. I'm serious. You would own another pair of glasses?
I do, but these ones I like more.
Right.
They just fit
but those ones big too.
For sure.
Right. But these fit better.
Yeah, they do.
Right.
They do. These ones newer too. So
okay.
Clearly with these Jones.
Monique, can you just do me a favor? Can you pull the camera up real quick so I can see that house party haircut?
Yeah. Why do you? Are you at the crib?
She got that.
Yeah, I'm at the
party.
crib. I'm off today.
Look like you got a nice house.
It's an apartment.
Yeah, that's what I meant.
Got that house party. Where's that house party?
Looks nice.
Here
I
we
like
go.
this.
Hey, here's what Moni looks like on her TikTok right here, Blama. Look.
It's a puff. Like it's like.
Look at this GIF, Lama. That's Moni on TikTok. That's Moni on TikTok. Look at that.
Yo.
She got the house party haircut.
No way you said that. That's crazy work.
What the fuck is this guy? Did he post a selfie? Is that him?
And did he fire emoji his own selfie?
Is that little baby?
Is that blood on the Tims?
Every time we have Moni on stage, a black guy in the chat posts a selfie for some reason. I'm just saying that because it's true.
Wait, but Max, can you zoom into that picture? We might have to call the police. Is that blood on the Tims?
Now we got called the police. Mama, mind your business.
No, that's that. First of all, we got to call the police because he dirtied the Tims.
Yeah, you can't dirty the butters like that. Not the yutters.
I can't believe he dirtied the Tims. Moni, what's going on, girl? Did you trade this morning?
Of course.
Nah, I'm taking a break because I'm just like I gotta get this together.
Moni. On your day off on the show.
You ain't
Let me
taking no
guess.
break.
You didn't trade because you have no account.
She got no account.
I don't have an account. You're correct, but I'm saying like because I don't have an account again, it's just like I gotta chill. I gotta paper trade it for a time. You know, get it together.
What you mean you got no account? Why you overtrade so much? Why can't you just one and done?
Yo,
Listen,
I really don't know.
Show every day. Why can't you just take the banger, take 200-300, and stop for the day?
I really don't know.
You know what it is? Is she's had so many big days of 1,000. Let me move up. I'm laying down too much.
Okay, he about to get roll on me. All right.
She's had so many days where she makes. I've seen it. The $1,000 days, the $1,500 days, where she's not gonna be satisfied with the 300-400 because she's trying to rush it. A lot of people fall in love with these demo profits, these demo thousands and 1,500s and 2,000s, where they're like, now that I'm funded, let me try to do it again. But it all resorts back to how you made it the first time. You did it the wrong way. You over leveraged the first time. You oversized, you over traded. So now that you got into the bad habit and made that demo money, it's a problem.
Hold on, real quick. Philly getting a fucking payout for real, Philly? Proud of you, bro. Philly, bro. Proud of you, Philly.
4 bands on a 50K, Philly.
Proud of you, Philly. Let's go.
That boy Phil Lee. Good job.
Boy, Philly, bro. He was trading like a maniac, but he's getting the payout. Let's go, Philly.
That's amazing.
Yeah, that's what matters. That's what matters.
Moni, what the fuck? You eating all that pancaques and huevos and all this shit, and you don't even have an account? I'm too lazy to go buy sausage, but I'm not too lazy to log off the charts. I'm too lazy to change my glasses. I'm comfortable with these glasses. I get real comfortable on the charts. I like doing TikToks and dancing like I'm a house party 4, but I don't like dancing my ass off the charts.
Yo, dancing off the charts is crazy.
Shut your ass up. I'm pissed off.
As you should be.
Rightfully so. Moni, rightfully so. Go eat your food, Moni. You piss me off. Actually, rock, paper, scissors, llama real quick for a 50K.
Ready?
She took a battle stand. She said, say less, fuck. All right, here it is. You guys know the rules. First one wins. Get ready.
Wait, Max, where do you want me to go? You want me to go rock, papers, or scissors? All right.
Ready?
Ready. Yeah. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
We got her. You were like this, so I did the opposite.
You got your ass.
First of all, I couldn't even see it. That's crazy.
Yo, Max, she thought she was slick when
it's cool, but that's why you gay.
Yeah.
Damn. Yo, holy fuck. We got her at. You see that reverse psychology?
Yo, bro.
Holy fuck.
Yo.
God damn.
That was crazy, bro. She got mad too. She wanted to go eat breakfast. She just, you're gay, llama.
She's about to eat. Now, them pancakes about to be hella soggy from them tears landing on them.
Oh my God, bro. That was so funny.
Oh, man.
That was so funny.
Oh, fuck. That was so funny.
That was
Holy
good, man.
shit.
That was good, man. That was so good.
Jesus
Well,
Christ.
she lost. We was gonna
Oh, man.
give her. She had a chance for the 50K right there. Shout out Zoogie. Shout out everybody. We appreciate y'all. It's Friday. We had a great day today. I caught a fucking monster. The whole chat went off today, boy. I'm gonna be honest. Today was just a great day. We appreciate y'all. Remember, nothing we do is financial advice. We're not financial advisors. We are filming the Big Daddy Morning Show. And he said my wife is an optometrist. What did he say? Optometrist or some shit, bro. He is hella funny.
Yeah, optometrist.
He has some crazy energy. Zugs. Congratulations to Zugs. He's gonna take his whole family out for the weekend on us. It's gonna be a great weekend for him and the kids. And if he has a great weekend with his kids, we're gonna double down and get him some accounts that he can try and make some bank with. And then we're gonna make sure he don't yell at his little boy like that ever again. That was crazy. I thought he was talking to like a 16-year-old, but he was funny dude. Guys, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe on everything we're doing on socials. We're doing so much work on social media, trying to keep this show alive, up and running. And also make sure you check out the indicators, the Power Hour special with Logan and Javi, 3 p.m. today. Big Daddy Logan is back and gay, and they will drop another drop of the range breaker for everyone tonight, or not tonight, this evening on the Power Hour special. They're going to drop it for tonight. And don't forget to check out the coursework, guys. If you want to learn how I hit an absolute monster banger, you need to check out the Mastermind and Futures One. If you want to learn how Llama's Fibs absolutely bottom ticked yesterday, you need to check out Pay to Play University. It's too simple. Don't forget, the only thing they need to do is tip the staff, baby. Tip the staff. Get them a cup of coffee. We have weekly and monthly, Trina. Max, Big Max, you Broward, baby. Bless me one time. You Broward County? All right, bring him up.
County?
Hold on, bring him up. Broward County. Let's see how Broward he really is, Llama. Let's get him on some 954 trivia. Let's see. Welcome this guy to the Big Daddy Morning Show. Guys, and the only thing we ask to support us so we can keep doing everything we do for free is to just hit that code BDM. If you're going to buy a prop anyway, why not hit code BDM, TPT, don't forget P2P, Funded Future Family, Apex, Tradeify, Alpha Futures, my Forex fam, get those hero accounts, 10X. This guy, where you from?
I'm from Lauderdale, born and raised. I'm born in Plantation General.
Okay. What high school did you go to?
Oh, man, unfortunately, I went to Lane Mass Coral Springs High School, but I didn't graduate.
Coral Springs.
Yep.
I grew up in Coral Springs. How old are you?
I am 35 this year. So I'm 34, turning 35 this year.
Oh shit! So you were in high school the same time as me in Coral Springs.
So we were was like class 08, 09?
I was 08. Well, I actually dropped out in 07, or 06. I dropped out in 06. I dropped out after ninth grade. Right. So I wasn't in high school no more. I dropped out after ninth grade. But I had gone to the first year of Coral Glades when Coral Glades opened. I was in year 1. We were the first.
Oh, you made year 1 Coral Glades? I remember when that fucker opened over there by the what was that ice rink called right there? Fucking Incredible Ice.
That's where the Panthers used to practice. Boy, you used to go to Incredible Ice.
I still watch them. I used to go to games with my dad down at the stadium by Sawgrass Parkway.
What's the stadium called?
That I definitely forgot for sure. I was more of a hockey fan as a kid than I am nowadays.
20 times. They changed the stadium name 20 times. Name any of them?
Yeah, bro, I definitely would be flawed. I'd be lying if I told you that, boy. I ain't gonna be.
What was the name of the Dolphin Stadium growing up?
Yeah, bro, I ain't gonna lie to you like that. I know that bitch off the turnpike.
Hell no. When I was a little jit, it was Joe Robbie.
Yeah, but I didn't care about the names of the stadiums, and I grew up a Dallas Cowboy fan, unfortunately. So I had the Emmett pennants everywhere, the little aluminum trash cans, and everything.
I ain't gonna lie. Dallas has some of the worst sports teams in history right now. Dallas Stars just got clapped. Cowboys clapped. Got rid of Luka. I mean, the fucking Dallas is just trash. But I gotta be honest with you, you're not really giving me Broward vibes.
Okay, so what is it you trying to do? Like, how we gonna prove this? You trying to go to Sunland? We gotta go to Parkway. We gotta go to Lauderhill, Shallow Side, Deep Side. We're gonna be on Oakland at 31st. We going to the, what we doing?
You
How do I prove on
what
Broward?
what DMV do you go to?
I used to go to always the Coconut Creek one, but my homie telling me now that shit is fucked up. That them lines be crossed away down the street. But I used to always go to the one over there in Coconut Creek. I don't like the Oakland Park one off 441. It used to be sweet. The DMV off Oakland and 441. I don't like that one no more either though.
Okay. It is definitely Broward when you say 441 and you don't call it State Road 7. That's definitely Broward.
No, 441. Get right.
You fuck with 441 and you don't call it SR7. Okay.
Hell no, that's that lame ass shit right there. Come on.
Right.
What is some of the tell me what the number one strip joint around the area is.
Ooh, in the area of Broward? Because Miami got them things now.
Not Broward County.
Broward do like Rolex, Tootsies. I do like the Office. It is a little ratchet. I like a little
Office
ratchet
is a new
shit.
one.
So I do like the
over
Office.
there.
You got Tootsies. King of Diamonds definitely closed, and they moved that bitch. I don't know what
KOD
they
is
got going
closed.
on
KOD's
now.
been gone.
Yeah, KOD been closed. So,
Yeah.
but I mean, like I did used to like PTs and Hialeah for a little bit.
Right.
I like that. I
Broward.
definitely what's that one right there off University and Commercial? I forget the name right now. The people who own PTs had it for a little bit. That one was popping. Fuck the name. I do like Cheetahs, Diamond Dolls, and Pompano, Pink Pussy or Pink something. They changed that one a lot too.
Damn.
I forget the one by the jail.
Yeah, you're a member. You just know every strip joint out in this bitch.
You know Conti and Pompano, like the little county jail in Pompano. They got the other one, the new one they built right across from it. They got great food there though. It's real nice. It's too nice to be right there across from the jail.
Hey, they got the wings at lunch. They got the lemon garlic
wings busting.
Hey, the wings are busting.
You go down the street. Cheetah's wings be busting too though in Pompano.
Cheetah's got some fire ass wings.
Hell yeah, but Cheetah Hollandale's is where it was at though.
I think he won, Max. He just named every strip joint in this bitch.
He's definitely.
He named every fucking booty club in this bitch.
Name a famous Broward County rapper.
Oh man, come on! First of all, we got Kodak, Cody P, Coleon. We can go back before them to the Sauce Boys.
No,
Sounds SOP, Sounds of Profit. You might remember them, maybe not.
Okay. Trick Daddy's from Miami. He's 305. He's not Broward County. Kodak, Broward County.
The biggest one from back in the days is Iceberg.
Right.
Well, Iceberg is definitely Miami.
Okay, hold on. Let me ask you a real question.
All I need is one blue dolphin to be in my vibe.
You went to Broward High School. Let me ask you this. Did you ever go to Galaxy?
Hell yeah. When you was talking about, I used to go to the Saturday. I used to go to Galaxy off Southgate and Rock Island. I used to go to the all-nighters on Saturdays.
Bro, Galaxy
right across the street from Tag and Teleperformance. You gotta be a Broward baby to know Tag and Teleperformance. Everybody got a friend that worked there. They first job.
I think he wins.
He's got the 954. All right, here. What's the other area code for Metro PCS?
Oh, 754? Come on, man.
Damn.
Come on now, bro. I had the first Metro when they had the Kyocera phones. They only had it was a brick.
Right. It was that was my first ever phone, the little brick.
Oh, I love it.
That's crazy.
I love Broward. I love my home county, 954 Broward County, South Florida regular, and we're not a transplant either, baby. Not a transplant, raised South Florida. Hell yeah. Even got the bad Wi-Fi. Hell yeah, that's awesome. Well, let me ask you this: are you a trader? His Wi-Fi just went real fucking real Broward, real 754 type shit.
754, yeah.
That's that 754 connection right there. Damn, he's gone. He's gone. Yo, he's cooked. No shot.
Oh,
don't say that.
No, he's back. Right there. He's back.
He's back.
Okay.
Are you?
I've been trading for 2 years on and off.
Are you profitable?
Am I profitable? Not yet. I got too much bad psychology. I don't wait for my strategies.
You're impatient. That's the number one reason you're failing.
Yeah. Analytically, I can analyze the market. I could follow along. I could find good trade ideas off supply and demand, or follow you guys or MVG. Right. It's the patience and waiting and watching and jumping in. Sometimes I'll miss that sniper entry and I'll try to get in on that next candle and it'll blow back. But it's like you say, it's not the candle you want.
It's the next one, baby.
What it's gonna do. So
good shit. Good shit. What props are you trading? What props are you trading right now?
Grab it.
Oh, on Apex?
Yes, sir.
Hell yeah! And you say you got a couple TPTs?
I got one TPT.
One TPT. How's that one going?
I was like 100 from
Can't listen to it no more, dog. His Wi-Fi is cooked. I don't
They're
know why
opening a
it's so
support ticket. This guy opened a support ticket. Open a support ticket.
Open a support ticket.
Open a support ticket.
Bam.
He wins, bro. That's a winner in my eyes.
He won.
From the county, bro.
He took
From the
Broward County
wins.
test. We gotta hook up. We'll hook up the home team. I'm gonna give him a 50K TPT, Logan. Logan, get him a support ticket. I'm gonna throw him a 50K TPT to the home team. Always support the home team. That's exactly what I said to Llama. When Llama first reached out to me, he said like Broward County, bro. I was like, oh shit, same team. And I did a reaction video. I was like, I got you, bro. I always, South Florida. I'm always looking out for my South Florida people. And Llama's fucking
that boy looked out because my first question was how much. I was ready to pay for it.
Yeah, he said how much, bro. I said nothing. I got you, bro. South Florida, same team.
Right.
And that's why the Panthers are gonna win the cup, baby. So they got all of South Florida, Broward County behind them. And Edmond ain't got nothing but fucking maple syrup and mooses and gay people. That's Canada. Much different.
My phone is getting exploded right now, bro.
We have officially crossed 118,000 in giveaways. 91 wins, 57 win streak. Big Daddy Max made 20 grand today, guys. I made 20 fucking grand. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go take my wife and baby out, just like Zoogie is. I'm gonna go enjoy my weekend with my family. I'm gonna go have a great time. And nothing we do is financial advice. Check out the free Discord, tap into code BDM P2P, check out the courses, the indicator drop. Everything's fucking rocking and popping, and we love you, and we love all our fans and supporters and people that watch the Big Daddy Morning Show. We're nothing without y'all. We appreciate y'all, and we're gonna keep killing it. I'm never gonna show my chart. I don't care about the viewers. It's not fair to my students. I'll be firm and fair always to my students. Fuck that. So that's it, baby. I'm going to get that dude $300 to get his family out for the weekend. That's going to be dope as fuck. I can't wait to see what kind of fun shit these rednecks do for the weekend. And then we're going to get the home team, this guy, 50K TPT, and we're going to go have a great weekend, chat. We're going to go have a great weekend. That's it. Let's
get out of here, bro. I got a lot of shit I got to do. Make sure to tap into the Power Hour, guys. 3 p.m. The boys are on a heater and they are killing the game.
They are on a
Welcome
heater.
Logan back for Power Hour. Javi killed the game. He broke the record yesterday. 740 people, I think, were in there. And
when I joined yesterday, 742 people were on stage. So it makes me wonder if Logan is not good for the show or something, because Logan wasn't there. That could be it. Llama was there, and there was 742 people. So maybe Logan's just not cool. But I think you guys need to give him a second chance. I think he's hilarious. I think he's so funny. So give him a second.
Well, guys, all right, I'm gonna go enjoy my weekend. I have a lot of shit I still have to do. Work is not done. Make sure to tap into Power Hour, guys. 3 p.m. to 4 p.m. These guys are on a fucking heater. They're killing the game. If you want to learn how to do what we do, you know what sections to go to. We have the Mastermind course, we have the Futures One course, and we have Pay to Play University. If you do want to learn direct one-on-one coaching, we have availability with Max, me, Logan, Javi, Shark, Sean, Jake, whatever you want to learn of any type of trading, we have it there. Whatever type of strategy you're looking for and you want to get some type of sauce on it, that's all there for you guys. All we ever ask for, if you're going to buy these accounts, use code BDM on any single prop firm for the best discount. And on TPT, that's the only thing I have, P2P. Make sure to tap in, guys. We appreciate all our sponsors for the week. Hope you guys fucking made some chicken. We are killing the fucking game. We have been streaking. We almost ruined the streak off some troll shit, even though it's a 200-point day. But guys, it was amazing. Streak is still running. We broke $118,000 in giveaways. $118,000 in under 6 months, completely for free for you guys. You guys want this to stay free? Tip the staff, come on, buy, use the codes, do what you got to do. We're going to keep this free for as long as fucking possible, even though I really don't fucking want to. I want to charge all you fucking idiots. But guess what? We're out of here. It was a pleasure.